Oh, what's up guys, my name is Brian here. Today in this video, we're going to be showing you another cool app that is called Tutu, which basically, I want to show you guys the best part of it. Right? So I got Geometry Dash, the full version, just to install this thing. It's actually really dope if you want to not pay at all. Not even 1 cent, not 1 cent of your money spent. I literally have the full version. You see, I have everything in here because, I did this trick. And if you want all of this, you can install any app just like Subway Surfers, like this, guys. I was playing this a little bit ago, and it actually works. So if you want to do it for yourself, I think you should actually try it. Yeah, this is actually speedy, bro. Speedy. Let's go. Ow. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna have a lot of words because we get 1,000,000 coins. Ooh. Got another hoverboard. Oof. Don't worry, guys. Ow. Look what happens. I got 1,000,000 gems. Coins. So I don't have to. Okay. Okay, yeah, that does happen. Look, I got 1,000,000 coins. But that's a lot. We can also upgrade this into what's it called? Into good recipes. So on the top run, I'm at bro, why am I all the way at the bottom? Tell me why. That guy, it's looking fresh. Oh yeah, I just forgot we can quit the first what's it called? Yeah, this guy right here. Boom. We got that guy. We gotta get a good hoverboard for him. Ooh. What is that mode? You can't even turn it off. Mexico special. Halloween special. Bro, you get every hoverboard. Even though if you just missed it, you get it. Super jump. Smooth drift. Sledge. Snowflake. Rudy. We get Galaxy. Jingles. Super. Ooh, Snow Trail. Snow Trail kind of looks dope. Oh, bro, and it comes with the buffalo. Bro, this is actually this is my favorite. Choo Choo. Birdie. Rocket. Sparkle. Speed up. That's good. Metal. Hot dog. Dragon. Rickshaw. Fire dragon. I don't even know how to say that. Bubblegum. Petal. Rose. Orny. Yeah. Gondola. Sweetheart. Hoverboard. Just the whack hoverboard that you can get with these. The Bass Blaster. Look how sick this looks. Super speed. Music trail, which is dope. School fire. You get double jump. Speed up. You get teleporter for free. Hot rod, which is pretty sick. Just 1 power. This is just 1 power. And this is a 2 power. Double jump, super speed, super jump, double A. These two have the jump. So honestly, the most I like is the choo choo. Like honestly, this is the funniest. Instead of me talking, let's just get on to the app. If you want to use this method, then do what I do. Alright guys? Alright guys, so first, go to Google, go to Google. Alright, and then you're gonna put actually put this app, tutuapp. It's this great app that you can install anything, alright? You put tutuapp, it's the best iOS helper ever. It's like the best thing that you can find, like the best, greatest thing. Like honestly, it's probably better than anyone. Alright, install it. I'm not sure if I should install it again. Then download. Download complete. Then go in here. Install blocked. Then click unknown service. Then click install. And whenever it's installed, guys, it's gonna say open or cancel. You're gonna press open. Then this app is gonna take you this place. It's lit, alright? It's the best app ever. Download and fun. Alright, we don't want this, so close it off. You could legitimately get any mod. Like My Singing Monsters, Unlimited Money, Pocket, Minecraft Pocket Edition, any money, a lot of money. Clash of Clans, unlimited money, again. Grand Theft Auto, limited money. Fortnite, unlimited V-Bucks, and Hungry Sharks, unlimited. Unlimited gems, I'm pretty sure. Let me just install if it does make sense. Let me make sure if it does. Alright, let me make sure it does work for y'all. To like, y'all think that I like played the games, not exactly installed it, but yeah, this is the supported game. Alright guys, supported game. Just have one weapon. Viewers. Alright, now you click install. Unknown service. Hopefully I have enough storage for this. Install. Yep, it's installing, guys. Alright. I'm not sure what to do with the Hungry Shark. I might just install it. But I just want to install it just for y'all. Because, I mean, I want to see that if you guys want to install Roblox. Unlimited Robux, bro. Unlimited Robux. You're going to be richer than a freaking YouTuber. Like, even Kringley, if you guys watch Kringle Puff. Y'all going to be a lot more Robux than him. Alright, guys. So, it's installing. And yeah, we're just gonna wait, and it should be done any minute. It takes a long time though. It takes a very long time. I know it does. Loading, installing. I mean, it is a mod, so I mean, it has to take a long time, because I mean, it's regenerating your gems and money, I guess. So I guess that's the point, because you're supposed to wait while the game is trying to give you the stuff. So like this one has gems, I'm pretty sure. Let's just hope it has gems or coins, because I mean at least it's supposed to have gems. So it's gonna take a while just for a game, but yeah, it's worth it, guys. It's worth it. if you guys want to have fun, just like I did today, might as well just install Tutu. Alright guys, it's freaking installed. Now let's open it. I'm not sure what I should do with him. Alright, let's hope for the best. Doesn't scam us. It sometimes might scam you. Just letting you know that. But if it does scam you, don't worry. We're gonna install it and we're gonna report it. That why didn't they put it gems? Ooh, they added a new shark, doesn't it? Look like neat. It looks like a fossil shark. Set your age. You're gonna want to put your age to 100. There you go. I'm actually of 11, but it does. I forgot to put 11. I thought I was 10, but I'm actually 11. So forget about it. Who cares? At least I'm 10. At least I'm 11, but it's okay because I can still play. What if I was 1 year old? Do you like have to like do the tutorial? Like I know you have to do the tutorial in every game, but it's just that I want. Yeah, we got money. Yeah, we definitely got money. Bro. It's just that I want to know that. Do you have to play the tutorial, or do you just like can skip it? Like honestly, I want to know. Honestly, I'm just gonna skip on my whole way. You need to own the previous. Bro, this is trash. Or you know why? Okay, I'm gonna confirm. Boom. Boom. Now I can get the Big Daddy. Boom. Mr. Snappy. Boom. Now we got the Island Destroyer. Boom. Now we got the Moby Dick. And now we got this big old giant shark that's new. We could eat Moby Dick, bro. We can actually eat Moby Dick. No way. We're gonna confirm. Max bite. Confirm, bro. This is too much, bro. Like, honestly, I feel so good. I honestly feel so satisfied with this much money. You don't even have to spend any money, bro. Like, honestly, I got every freaking shark. Except these ones. I'm actually gonna get these. Boom. Did I get these? I missed one, though. There we go. Bro, I honestly think I cheated. I cheated my way here. Bless you! You're welcome! Sorry, guys. My sister just moved. We're gonna have a baby. We're gonna have another baby one. Oh, bro, we're gonna have to equip these, bro. Honestly. Oh, we can only have one. Mine launcher. Bless you! You're welcome. Let's add this guy. We got a ring on him. We got, ooh. Ooh, yeah, we're definitely gonna need this. Ooh. Jetpack. Oh my goodness. Purchased. Where's that map? Let's buy the ticket. Let's buy 5 tickets. What's this? A skin? We go. Let's just wear it for the fun. Shark signal. Ooh, this one might be pretty good. Boom. Oh, it just took us straight to the map. Shark Signal 3. But you only have 2. You can only equip 2. Where's my stuff that I bought? Signal 2, Signal 3. But I'm pretty sure we're done for right now. Like, honestly. Let's wait. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end the video right there. Actually, no. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna show you one more time, right? Just in case you did not listen. You're gonna go to Tutu, alright? Then you're gonna be able to, like, search up any game you want, like Roblox, maybe Fortnite, Clash Royale. Oh, yeah, that's definitely gonna work. Pixel Gun 3D. Yeah, I'm definitely doing that later. Okay, guys? So, I just wanted to tell y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. And I wish you guys a good day. Alright, guys? Hope you guys leave a like. Don't turn on the notifications if you want another hack just like these. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.